Okay, here is a Payne air conditioner at a gas station running. I'm using my phone right now and not my GoPro because I don't have my GoPro, so sorry about that. It's a 4-ton and it's from 2011. It's a straight cool that's nice and cold. It's got a Copeland scroll compressor. Yeah, pretty decent unit. There's the top. So yeah. Alright, so remember that carrier I got some rusting last winter? Here it is running. It's got a VE commercial fan motor. I'm not sure if this is in cooler heat. It's from 2009 and it's a 3-ton. That's in cooling mode. And then here's this one. Basically the same. And then this one. If I recall correctly, it was this one that I got deep rusting, but I'm not 100% sure. It might have been that one. So yeah.